Hey guys, John Yellick here, and I have got some more assignments right here. So what I'm going to do with them is I'm going to take a hose and hopefully scatter a bunch of assignments. Okay, you want to do it? You want to scatter it with a hose? You want to? Let's do it, let's do it. As you can see, I was cleaning up the yolk from the last video. So there's some water. I've got a hose here, and I'm going to scatter them. Alright, ready? You're not scattering! Okay? Alright. Oh my goodness. Why not? Alright, now I want you to scatter. And that'll make a great video. Rude! Look at her. Can't get enough of her cute but slightly creepy face. Look, she's just staring at you.
Saying please, please can you watch this video? Please subscribe and please like and please subscribe.